Chapter 2 Language of Maps.
Let's learn maps,
Advantages of a map over globe.
types of maps, reading a map. Maps. In the previous chapter, we have studied about the globe. A globe is a model of Earth. A map is different from a globe. It is a flat representation of a small or large area of the Earth. In earlier times, maps were used to locate places.
A book of maps is called an atlas.
A map can be of a continent, country, state, or city. Unlike a globe, it gives minute details of a place. It can be rolled or folded and can be easily carried. Maps can be drawn of features like rainfall, vegetation, and even population density.
And for height. The word map originated from a Latin word mappa, which means a napkin, cloth, or sheet.
Advantages of a map over globe. A globe is not convenient to carry, unlike a map, which is handy. We can make a map of a particular region, but not a globe. Tiny details cannot be shown on a globe, which is only possible on a map. The Earth's entire surface cannot be seen at a time using a globe. Only a part can be seen. On the other hand, a map can show the entire surface of the Earth. However, maps also have some limitations. The Earth is spherical in shape, and a map cannot be drawn in that form. An accurate map of a curved surface is impossible to make. Types of maps. We have various kinds of maps to depict features like boundaries of states and countries, plains, mountains, population density, or mineral deposits.
And for hive, a person who draws or makes maps is called a cartographer.
Political map. A map which defines the boundaries of countries, states, their capitals, major cities, etc. is called a political map. Physical map. The physical maps show the details of landforms and water bodies such as the plains, mountains, oceans, rivers, seas, etc. Thematic map. A thematic map is made on a particular theme. It may give information on rainfall, population, roads, railways, minerals, crops, etc. Reading a map. To understand or read a map, we need to know the language of a map. Directions, scale, symbols and colors are the main features of a map. They help us find places on a map. Let us study about them. We know the four main directions: north, east, south, and west. A map also shows these directions. An arrow marked as N shows the north. The rest of the directions can then be easily guessed. The main directions have subdivisions too. The northeast between north and east, northwest between north and west, southeast between south and east, and southwest between south and west.
And for hive, by area, Russia is the largest country and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world.
Scale. The distance between any two cities would be in kilometers, but the actual size cannot be shown in the map. To overcome this problem, we use a scale. It is the ratio between the actual distance and the distance shown on the map. The distance between two places can easily be estimated with the help of the scale of the map. Let us understand this with the help of an example. In the scale given ahead, 1 centimeter is represented as 250 meters, which is the ratio of the distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground.
1 centimeter represents 250 meters. Hence, scale is equal to 1 is to 25,000. Brain tickler. What did the mariners use to locate directions in earlier times? Signs and symbols. A map has signs and symbols to interpret particular objects like industries, buildings, etc., or provide information about boundaries, capitals, rivers, and bridges. There is a legend at the bottom of the map explaining the symbols used in the map.
Colors on a map. A map shows different features using different colors. There are some common color codes which are followed for maps all over the world for certain features. In a physical map, water bodies are shown in blue, light blue for shallow waters and deep blue for deep waters. Plains and lowlands are shown with green color. Mountains and hills are shown in brown color.
Yellow is used for plateaus. Brain tickler. In which directions are Jammu, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat and Kolkata located when referenced from New Delhi?
Recap. A map represents the earth on a flat surface.
The directions, scale, signs and symbols help us to understand maps.
Different landforms are shown with the help of different colors on a map.
Signs and symbols make the study of maps easier.
Since these are common to all countries, they are used internationally.
Life skills. Oh no, I think we are lost in the jungle. What will we do now? Don't worry, I have the map with me. We can easily get out of here. What is a map? A map is a visual representation of an area on a flat surface. It will show us the way out of here. This map saved our lives, or we would have been lost forever. Always carry the map of the region you are visiting for the first time.
Values for life. A map shows you where you are and how to find the way to your destination. Always keep a map of your life in your mind, which will show you where you stand in life and which way you should move. This ability will help you to make correct choices, and with effort, you will be able to reach your goals.